going to show you how to make a demo in under 10 minutes. This demo can be sent as a link or it can be embedded as an iframe into your site. It'll look something like this, just like that, with the client logo, with the name, everything like that. So today we're just going to use this website here, and I'm going to show you how to do it with Claude Code. So this is an electrician up in Minneapolis, right? So all we'll have to do is we just go in here, we say make a demo for here. That's it. We already have the Claude skills and everything like that. We have all the documentation, which is very easy to get to. You just go here, you just say docs.LeadLock.ai, and you can download the OpenAI document as a JSON, as a YAML, whatever you feel like doing. So part of the skill, what we're actually going to be doing, what it's doing right now is, as you can see, I didn't say all this, I just said make a demo, right? It's going to scrape the site. There's also, if you have the opportunity, there are questionnaires in here that you can actually give that are a part of the demo, like intake templates. There's ones for fitness, HVAC, law firm, you name it, it's on there, okay? That's helpful if you already have like a good relationship and you're just trying to like sell them. But if you just really want speed to lead, you want a quick, good demo that it's just going to pre-fill all of these questions, that's what this is going to do right now. It's going to scrape the site. It's going to see if it can find the actual logo. It's going to get that logo. It's going to make it into a phone type of mock-up that then you can basically embed into your own website, or you can just send the link directly to Mr. Lead, right? So here it's going. So as we can see, it's finding the time zone of the lead. It's Twin Cities, so it's choosing America, Chicago time zone for our agent. So that's good. We don't want it to be off time zone, right? Because cool thing about this too is you can build really a self-selling demo, so it'll connect to your own calendar, and that way when they're interacting with it and they propose to book an appointment, it'll actually book to your own calendar. So you want those time zones collected. I'm going to say here, no, you need to look again. There are already agents on the platform that are configured with calendar. Look deeper on this, because it was saying it couldn't find a calendar, but that's just not true. We're going to build 3 demos, all going to be female. We're going to make URLs and iframe code, and it's just going to go. So we're going to have 3 different links we're going to send, one for Grok, one for OpenAI, one for Gemini voice models. They can play around and see what they like the best. I prefer Gemini for the sound quality of the voice, but Grok is also pretty good, especially if you need a lot of heavy function calling, that type of stuff. Also, we do support MCP. Your agent can have up to 5 MCP servers on Grok models. Just to put that in perspective, Starlink is actually powered by the same technology that we're building our demo and that you're going to deploy for your clients. Because the idea is to, well, you know, everybody can show a little demo online. I mean, this is obviously the super fast way to do it, but how do you get that speech-to-speech model on a telephone number? It's very easy on the platform. You just go to Twilio, provision a number. I think states numbers are like $2 a month, and then you get your account SID and auth token, you copy and then paste them over. Your Twilio is connected. Now you have a number. Right after the demo is made, you can just attach a number and you're basically done. You just sold, you know, I don't know how much you would sell it for, $1,200 a month maybe, or maybe if it's a high usage, $300 a month, and then you just mark up the minutes. Both features you can do on the platform. That bit is up to you. You're free to do that. But essentially what I'm trying to say is you can make the demo. If they like it, you can attach a number like that. You just import the number from Twilio. All good. So here it's saying, great, we actually do see a GHL calendar, everything it needs. Now it's going to actually build the demo. Okay, so perfect. As you can see, it's making the prompt as we speak. And by the way, this whole repo of all these skills that you can build for your LeadLock agents, such as prompt tuners, we see here, knowledge base builder, agent from a recording. So say that they have a appointment setting transcript or something, you can just build an agent based off of that, like a good recording or bad recordings or mixture of both. You have all these different skills. I like to have an add to learning skill because the point of this is you want to download this repo but then make it your own. So the more you do, maybe you're finding some little tweaks you want to have. You just want to add that to your learning, so then the next time you make a demo, it's going to draw from those learnings and actually make it more fine-tuned the more demos you make. But where are we at? We're at time about 7 minutes 50 seconds. So let's see how it's going. Done. Perfect. Amazing. So good to go there. We have a Gemini, we have an OpenAI, let's get out of that, and a Grok. We have an orb demo that was made. Let me just say this. I want to also make the iframe demo. Let's do that for the Grok one. Include the logo, make sure that the background is white around the phone, and then copy the iframe to clipboard, please. While it's doing that, we can kind of see what these links actually look like. Let's check out Gemini's here. Again, you can send these links directly to the client, Mr. Client, if you want. Just have a little conversation with it.
Thanks for calling Northern Mr. Sparky. This is Maya. How can I help you today?
Hi Maya, what's going on? I have an electrical problem at the house and I'd like to have you guys take a look at it.
Got it. Can you tell me a little more about what's going on?
Yeah, I really don't know, but it just seems like something's broken. I'm not an expert, I just need somebody over at the house.
Okay, totally understand. Just to make sure we're a fit, are you in the Minneapolis-St. Paul metro?
Yes, I am, yep.
And is this for a home you own or are you renting?
I own the home.
Here's how we work. For something like this, we'd send a licensed electrician out for a free discovery session. They take a look, walk you through the options, and give you a written quote on the spot. No charge, no pressure. Want me to grab a time?
Yes, please.
Great. I have some openings tomorrow, Thursday, May 14th. Does 9:30 a.m. or 11 a.m. work for you?
Let's go with 9:30.
Perfect. And what's your full name and email for the confirmation?
Daniel, and it's dan@LeadLock.ai.
Perfect. You're booked for 9:30 a.m. tomorrow. We'll text a confirmation and...
All right, so that worked pretty good. I just pull it up on the calendar. It booked us in there, so we're good. All right, let's see. Now, the iframe was copied to the clipboard. Let's show you the other demo we got. So in order to showcase that, there's just a little GHL page here. Just delete that, and we'll paste in this that I copied to the clipboard. This is just the iframe. We go like this. And as we can see, there's the iframe there with their logo front and center. There we go. If you wanted to send them, have your own domain, this would be the easiest way to do it. Now let's just experiment with this one. Hello.
Thanks for calling Northern Mr. Hi there, I'm Maya with Northern Mr. Sparky. How can I help with your electrical question or issue?
Hi, Maya. I have a lot of electrical problems at the house. I want a licensed electrician to take a look at it.
Got it. Sounds like you want a pro to come check things out. First, just to make sure we're a fit, are you in the Minneapolis-St. Paul metro area?
Yes, I am, Maya.
Thanks, that's perfect. And is this for a home you own or are you renting?
I own the home.
Great, thanks. Both boxes checked. Here's how we work. We'd send a licensed electrician out for a free discovery session. They take a look, walk you through the options, and give you a written quote on the spot. No charge, no pressure. Want me to grab a time?
Yes, please.
Okay, perfect. What day or time window works best for you? Once I know that, I can check what's open
Maya,
and get you
let's
booked.
do it for tomorrow.
Thanks. Tomorrow's May 14th. I've got several openings tomorrow, from 9:30 in the morning up through 6 p.m. What time works best for you? I'll book it right after you pick one.
Let's do 9:30.
Perfect. 9:30 a.m. tomorrow. To lock that in, could I get your full name and email address?
Yeah, it's Dan, and my email is dan@LeadLock.ai.
Thanks, Dan. I've got you down for 9:30 a.m. tomorrow with email dan@LeadLock.ai. Sorry, Dan, that 9:30 slot just got taken. Let me check what's still open for tomorrow. Would 10 a.m. work or want to pick a different time from the list?
Let's do 10 a.m.
Got it. 10 a.m. tomorrow. Perfect. You're all set for 10 a.m. tomorrow. We'll text a confirmation and the electrician's name shortly. Have a great one.
All right, thank you. Have a good one. So these are like out of whack just because I'm in a different time zone than the agent we made. But as you can see, it booked. So you can see a little difference. This one was a Grok one, and you could see the first one was a Gemini one. So that's why what you can do is you can just make all three and have them experiment with whatever one they actually like to choose. So that is it for that. Now it's very easy to actually deploy this to a phone number, which I'll show you. Let's just go to our agents. Actually, let's just keep it in Claude Code. Okay, what I want you to do now is attach the Pittsburgh number to the agent and then call my own phone number, okay? Now I'm going to pause it, put my phone number and click enter here. While it's doing that, let's just go back to the little presentation. So we can see it scraped the site, found the logo, made the custom prompt, it pre-filled all of the intake information. Was able to connect to our own calendar so that, you know, if you're sending it like as a self-selling demo, you can just have them book into your own calendar. And then if you have like automation on GoHighLevel, which I do, which like sends them reminders in a reminder sequence, you can have all that up. We spun up 3 agents, including one that we just copied and pasted as an iframe. And by the way, you can do all this with the UI. Just the faster way is just to use the Claude skill. We got the demo URLs. We tested one demo URL. We got the embedding iframe. We pasted that. We just tested that one. A little bit of mixture there. There we go. Already deployed to the number.
Thanks for calling Northern Mr. Sparky. This is Maya. How can I help you today?
Hi Maya, how are you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. What brings you to call us today?
Hi, all good. Just testing it out, how fast we could deploy the number to the agent via the command line. Appreciate it. So that's pretty cool, right? So as soon as you got a demo, they like it, you can deploy it to a number really easy. So we made our demos. We had all of this, by the way, is going to be inside of this right here. This is a repo I will put in the description. This will allow you to do the exact same thing I did. Basically, just running it from Claude Code or from the command line, you're good to go, right? With all those nice skills. And this will be updated over time. So, little announcement, if you like this, and if you want to, as an agency, white label, we are looking for white label partners of the LeadLock platform. This will include anybody who will qualify will be people who have very high volume or soon to have high volume. If they have proven sales operation, they're ready to move very quickly, and they're serious about deploying voice AI to the world. We only work with the best because this is the best technology on the market, okay? And the best deserve to have a white label path. If that is you, feel free. There will be a link below to book a call with me, and we'll talk about it, see your situation, and see if you qualify. We're only open to 10 slots at the moment. Anyways, guys, have a good day, and I hope you enjoyed this video.